Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. Now we will start our English lesson and today we will learn about the letter N. You can see this is letter N. This is capital N and this is the small n. Okay, we will learn its action and the sound. Inky, do you know who's Inky? Here it is. Inky is a mouse, and Inky Mouse was sleeping. What happened then? Inky is woken up by a nasty noise. There is a model plane flying about, going. What was the sound of the plane? It was going. Mm. Everyone make the sound of N. What is the sound? Mm. One more time. The sound of N is mm. So, another thing we need to learn today is the action of N. Hold arms out at side, like this boy over here is doing. This is a boy. You can see he's holding his arms out at his sides. So, I want you to open your arms and say the sound as if you're a plane, you're flying a plane, and make the sound of letter N, which is mm. Arms on your sides and make the sound mm. Mm. All right, everyone, well done. I hope you all have made the sound and have done the action. What is the letter N and what is its sound? Mm. And what is its action? That you have to hold your arms outside and say like a plane flying. All right. Now come to page number 20. Open page number 20 or you can watch on your screen that I have shared with you. Page number 20, we will learn how to write N. We will start first. Help the robin to his nest. Here's a little robin. Can you see a robin? Over here, it's a robin, small robin. And he's holding a worm in its beak. And he wants to reach his nest where there are little babies to be fed by the robin. So, first of all, you all have to trace these dots starting from this point. You have to trace like this, then upwards, and then downwards, and then upwards, and then again downwards, like this way, right to its nest over here. This thing you all have to do. Next thing, you have to trace small n. How do we do that? First step is to start from here. You can see small number 1 written over here. Can you see? You have to start from here. Make a line, go downwards, then go upwards and then downwards. Again, start from this dot, downwards, then upwards, and then all the way again, touching the line. Don't forget that you have to touch the lines. The pencil should touch all these lines like this, so on. Trace all these small ends. Very good. Everyone, you all have to trace in a very beautiful handwriting. Just follow the right method. Once you have traced all these ends. Next thing that you have to do is capital N. Capital N. Again, you can see this white dot. You have to start from here. Make a line starting from here downwards, like this. And then again from that white dot, go downwards diagonally and then upwards. You have to follow these dots. The arrows are also over here to help you understand. Right? Start from this white dot, go down. Another way that you go down and then go up, and then again go down and then go up. This is your choice. Either you start from this white dot, go down, and then go again diagonally and then upwards. It's your choice, whatever is easier for you. But the correct method is first start from the white dot, go downwards, and then go upwards, and then again downwards and then upwards. Make sure that you don't make a double line over here. There should be only one line. Again, capital N, starting from number 1, from the top, 1, then downwards, then upwards. Again, starting from this dot, going downwards. If you want to go upwards, just follow the same line. Don't make it a double line. And then again, come down diagonally over here, touching this line, and then go upwards, touching that line. Make nice, beautiful capital N. Okay, you have traced all these things. Now we will learn a little about these 3 pictures. What is this picture? Can anyone tell? This is a net, and it starts with the letter N because you can hear the sound of in the beginning. Net. What is this? This is a nest. Can you hear the sound of in the beginning? Yes, nest. It starts from the letter N. What is this? This is a neck of a person. This is a neck. What is a neck? Neck is called गर्दन in Urdu. ठीक है? This is a neck. And you all have heard the sound of N which is coming in the beginning of all these pictures. Net, nest, and neck. These all pictures, these all words are starting from the sound N. So remember that they all start with the sound letter N, and the sound is On this page, what do you have to do? I have explained that you have to trace these lines first of all. Then you have to trace all these small ends. Then you have to trace this capital N, and you have to recognize the sounds and learn that the pictures, what are these pictures called? Net, nest, and neck. And these all start with N. This you have to do. This page you have to trace, and one more thing that you have to do is to color the pictures on this page. Net, nest, and neck. And if anyone wants to color in the robin and the bird and this tree, you can do that also. And don't forget to write today's date. All right, today's date should be written. Well done. Okay, now Page number 21. Page number 21 of your English workbook. It is the same letter on the top, N, and the sound is like a plane flying, making the sound What is the action? What is the action? Do the action one more time. If you haven't learned so far, do the action one more time. What is the action? Pretend to be a plane. Pretend to be a plane. आप सोचें कि आप एक plane बन गए हैं. With your arms out like wings and say like this boy is doing in the picture. I'll share a video as well to learn the action and sound of N properly, more properly as well, beta. ठीक है? Now, focus on the work that we need to do. Page number 21. You again have to trace N's. In this first line, what you need to do is to trace. Starting from number 1, make a small line. Starting from this line, touching down till this line, straight line, and then like this. There are two ways, whichever is convenient for you. Make a nice line over here. You can either go upwards right from there, or there is another way that you make a line first over here, number 1. और number 2 आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ से start करें और N बना दें, like this. Both ways are correct, but your letter should be like this. The shape of the letter should be like this. The shape should be correct. It should be touching the lines, starting from the correct point. लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है, लाइन तक जाना है और दोबारा बेटा लाइन को टच करते रहना है और एक छोटी सी टेल बना देनी है. ये छोटी सी टेल आपने बनाएंगे, ये विंग बना देंगे इसका, तो आपकी राइटिंग और प्यारी हो जाएगी. राइट द ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग. प्यारे बच्चों, ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग में आपने ये सब करना है. ये पूरी लाइन आपने पहले ट्रेस, हाफ लाइन आपने ट्रेस करनी है. देन after writing these N's, you have to write the N in a free handwriting. Beautiful handwriting में, in a beautiful handwriting. Same beta, starting from this dot, line तक जाना है. Then again आपने लाइन को टच करते हुए नीचे आना है और एक छोटा सा विंग बना देना है. ये सब आपने लिखना है. देन आपने क्या करना है, next thing, you already have learned these letters before. A, A. What is the sound of A? A. This is A. You have to trace A. Again you have to write another A. Again one more time write another A over here. Then what is this? T. T. You have to trace T. 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 Again make a nice T over here and over here. 2 T in free handwriting and 1 tracing of T. Next letter is I. I. You already have learned I. You have to trace I in a very beautiful handwriting and then you again have to write 2 I in a free handwriting. I. Make a nice dot on top of both eyes. I. What is this letter? P. What is the sound? P. 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 Again, you have to trace P and then write beautiful P 2 times, starting from the dot given to you. Now, last exercise. Look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. 3 of these pictures have a sound in them. There are 4 pictures, but 3 of them have a sound in them. And what do we have to do? We have to cross out the one that does not. 3 of the pictures have the sound and one of them does not have the sound. So let's say the name of each picture and then find out that which picture has the sound, and which picture does not have the sound? What is this picture? First picture is of a nest. What is it? Repeat after me, please. Nest. Nest. So can you recognize the sound of in it? Nest. Yes, there is a sound in nest. So this is correct. We don't put a cross on this one. This is correct. Next picture, look at this picture. What is this? This is a net. What is this? Net. There is again a n sound in it. So this is also correct. Net. What is it? It's a giraffe. But what is the arrow pointing at? The arrow is pointing at the neck of the giraffe. Neck. So the neck also has a sound. So this picture also has a sound. So this one is correct. Now let's see. We are left with this picture. What is the picture? What is it, bete? Do you anyone recognize this picture? This is picture of a pie. It's a food item. Pie. Can anyone recognize the sound of in a pie? Pie. पाई में साउंड आ रही है? No, नहीं आ रही. So this is the picture which does not have a sound. So what we will do, we will cross it. We will put a cross on this pie. Cut कर देंगे इसको. Well done everyone. Please cut this one. Now next thing we have to read these four words. We have to read them. एंड बिफोर रीडिंग आपने ये नोटिस किया कि यहाँ पे डॉट्स लगे हुए हैं. तो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू दैट वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि जो डॉट है उसकी साउंड हमने निकालनी है. डॉट के साथ जो ऊपर लेटर लिखा हुआ है वी हैव टू मेक द साउंड ऑफ दैट लेटर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? ये डॉट के ऊपर कौन सी साउंड है? ए. देन अगेन देयर इज अनदर डॉट. डॉट के ऊपर कौन सी साउंड है? फ. ए फ. अब हम इसको क्विकली पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. वी ट्राई टू रीड एंड ब्लेंड द साउंड्स क्विकली सो दैट वी नो क्या वर्ड बनता है इन तीन साउंड्स को मिलाकर. Apple. Apple. Everyone, beta, read with me. Apple. Nap. 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 What is the word? We have learnt that it's written nap. Nap. Nap लिखा हुआ है ये. Well done, everyone. Nap. What is napping? Do you know what is nap? नैप होता है थोड़े से टाइम के लिए सोना. ठीक है, नैप पढ़ लिया हमने. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज लेट्स ट्राई टू से द साउंड्स फर्स्ट. a t a t ant. Ant. What is this word? Ant. Everyone say ant. Well done everyone. Next word. Make the sounds first. P, A, P, A, P, A, pan. 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 What is this? Pan. Everyone say pan. Make sure that you read while watching कि क्या लेटर है, क्या साउंड है. जब आप पढ़ रहे हो तो मेक श्योर कि आपने उन वर्ड्स को, उन लेटर्स को देखना भी है. पैन. पैन बन गया ये. वेरी वेल डन बेटा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. First make the sounds. T, I, m, t, I, m, I, m, t, m, t, I, m, t, in, t, in, tin, tin, tin. What is this? Tin, tin. Very well done. We have read these words nap, ant, pan, and tin. I'm sure that you have learned all these sounds that we have done so far. Now I want you to watch this video as many times as you want to learn properly the sound of N and to do the work. Now you have to do 2 pages, page number 20 and page number 21. आपने 2 पेजेस करने हैं. कौन कौन से पेज बेटा? पेज नंबर 20 एंड पेज नंबर 21. पेज नंबर 20 पे आपने क्या करना है? आपने ट्रेसिंग करनी है एंड कलरिंग करनी है. यू हैव टू डू द ट्रेसिंग and coloring and learn these pictures have a n sound in the beginning. And the next page that you have to do is page number 20. और पेज नंबर 20 पे आपने क्या करना है? अगेन यू हैव टू ट्रेस फ्यू एंड्स इन द बिगिनिंग और उसके बाद आपने फ्री हैंड में लिखना है. यहाँ पे लुक एट दीज डॉट्स. इन डॉट्स के ऊपर यू हैव टू राइट द एन इन अ फ्री हैंड राइटिंग. और नेक्स्ट लाइन you have to trace the sounds first and then you have been given these 2 dots for each sounds to you. So here you have to write in a free handwriting, beautiful handwriting में a t t t I p p and again read these words given to you. That is the work for today, beta. Make sure that you complete these 2 pages. You have to write the date as well. Don't forget to write the date and classwork also C.W. And then after you're done, you have to upload these pictures. You have to submit your work on Google Classroom. You will be assigned. You have to just take a picture of your work and upload it in the assignment. ठीक है बेटा? Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I will be waiting for your work to be submitted. Take care. Allah Hafiz.